welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to do this video because I shop the Sephora sale, and it's funny, every time they had this sale I'll tell to myself like I don't need anything but then obviously I end up spending a tons of money. So I did place an order. I'm very happy that this year the sale started after Easter, not before Easter, so I had a little bit more time to go to the store. So I picked up a few things from the store, but I also placed like a huge online order. So I'm just gonna show you everything what I've got, and if you still want to shop the sale, you can, because the sale is still going on. Okay, so the first thing that I purchased is actually a repurchase. This is the Beauty Blender Solid Pro. This is the cleanser, and this is the huge size. I talked about this in the past. It comes with the little kind of cleaning, scrubbing something. I would not, make sure you don't use a sponge on this because it can rip the sponge. It's great for the brush if you want to kind of wash the brush against this. And of course this is the black soap, as you can see right there. It's pretty big, you guys. I mean, this is the size of this. I wash my beauty blender in this every day, and this will last me for about 6 months. So I always get one during the sale because, you know, why not? You can just save a little bit of money. I think it was $45, so if you have a discount, just save a little bit money. Why not? The new thing that I really wanted to try is those Cuddly, I think this is one of the new, the Cuddly face moisturizer. I went to the store to check it out, and I'm not gonna open it, guys, because I'm trying to finish my other moisturizers, but this is the newest one from Cuddly, and I did try on the back of my hand at the store, and it just felt so hydrating, so amazing. So I have a very high hope for this, and I will definitely keep you updated. And you know, for the moisturizer, it wasn't that crazy expensive. I mean, it's still expensive, but even if it's not on sale, if I love it, I think I'm just gonna stick to it because it felt really good on my head. All right, the thing that I did try, this is the Laneige Eye Sleeping Mask. So I do have like a face sleeping mask from the Laneige, and I do have a lip mask, overnight mask, which I also use it during the day. So I did try this. It comes in this packaging, and I have been actually using for at least like 3 nights in a row, and you guys, I love this. So it comes in this beautiful kind of frosty blue glass, and I just want you to see the applicator. This is like a silicone kind of ball here at the end, and you literally just put inside and you smear all over your eye, you know, kind of area at night, and you just kind of let it sink overnight. And when you wake up, you can tell right away how smoothly the area under your eye feels. And I forgot exactly how much it was, but I'll link everything down below. It wasn't too crazy expensive, and I really like it. Okay, I also tried the Hangover. This is from the Too Faced. This is their face primer, and that's what I have even on today. It's very moisturizing, so I feel like for someone who has a dry skin like me, I think it works really nicely. I love the delivery system. It's like a pump. There we go. And it looks like, you know, when it comes out, it's kind of like a milky substance, but then when you distribute on your face, it's clear. But it just gives such a nice moisturization to your face. Feels really nice, very hydrating, and I have been using for a couple of days, and I really like it. So and I know this is the old product. This is nothing new, you guys. I'm sure some of you may know about this. I'm probably just very late, but to the, you know, but it's good. It's really nice. Okay, the product that it was on my wish list, and I have it in my cart for a while. This is the Dior serum. This is I had the plumping serum, which I just finished. So this is the Capture Youth Glow Booster. There we go. This is how it looks like. So I am very, very excited to be trying this. I did not try it yet, but I did test it obviously at the store. And I love the plum pink, the one that it's like a milky kind of white. It's a plum, it looks the same, exactly the same bottle. Love it, love it. But like I said, I just finished it. Okay, let's move on. So 3 items that I cannot wait to use it. Those are the Pat McGrath Lab. This is the mini set of her lip glosses. Do you see how they come funny packaged in this sequence? It's a little crazy. It was a great price. I think it was $25 for set of 3. Those are the mini size, but how often do you go through a lip gloss? You know, I try never to buy like a full size. One lip gloss in a full size, I think it's 25 bucks, and you get 3 minis for that same price. I think it's awesome. So I cannot wait. Obviously I didn't open it. I cannot wait to use it, and I'll definitely let you know how those work for me. Okay, Touche Éclat Blur Primer. This is from YSL, and this is the repurchase. I do have one that I'm almost done with. This is the one that has those little kind of like as you can see, those little specks of gold, and it is a little bit of silicone-y, but it's not, doesn't feel too bad. You know what I mean? It's really blurring imperfections very nicely on my face. So I really, really like this primer, and like I said, I have just tiny bit left in the other bottle, so I have decided to take advantage of the, you know, sale and just repurchase. And then something that it was for on my wish list probably for a year, and I just kind of go on and off, is the Tom Ford bronzer brush. This thing is just so expensive. Let me know if you guys have this and if you use it. I obviously didn't use this yet. It looks pretty squish right now, but I know once you kind of, I've seen people have, like, it's very kind of big, but I've heard so many good things about this brush that I just decided to pick it up. I had his cheek brush in the past and I just did not like it, but this bronzer brush, I don't know, it was calling my name. Like I said, I had it like for the longest. I was in my cart, and it was like sold out, and so I was really happy to see it back in stock. So we'll see. I have to use it. I'm excited to use it, so hopefully it will work. All right, the next thing that I purchased at the store is the newest item from Fresh, and this is their Rose Deep Hydrating Sleeping Mask. So you guys, I tried this 2 times so far over the period of 2 nights, and feels really nice. I'm not sure if it's any better than my other sleeping masks, but it does feel incredibly hydrating. It's funny the way it's different it's different than your typical sleeping mask. It has like 2 little compartments. Let me just open this and show you guys. There we go. So this is number 1. So you're supposed to put this at first, and then number 2. So what you have to do, put a little bit of that. And the first time I did it, I think I put a little bit too much, because it took me like 30 minutes for this portion to dry before I could put the second one. You're supposed to let the first one completely sink in and just dry before putting the second half on. So the second time I put it on, I put a very kind of thin layer of this jelly, you know, kind of side, and it felt much better. And then of course like 10 minutes later I follow with the more creamy side. So this side smells like a rose. This one smells to me like a cucumbers, but I don't know, maybe it's just all rosy kind of. It is very nice mask, don't get me wrong, it's a very nice mask. So I just have to use it for a little bit longer to see if it's something more spectacular than, you know, the others. You know, it's different because you have those 2 sides, and the jar is very luxurious and it's very heavy. But we'll see, I do enjoy it. I'm not gonna, you know, lie, I do enjoy it. I just don't know if it's anything super special than other masks that I have. Something that I was recommended to buy is from Dr. Dennis Gross, and this is the Hyaluronic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel, and I actually use it twice, so I don't really see the difference yet. I just have to use it a little bit longer. By the way, this is how the package looks like, and let me show you the product. It's pretty much something, you know, it's like your eye cream, and it's supposed to, you have to use it for at least a month, I was told, to see the difference, you know, hydration, and it's supposed to help with the, you know, I have under eye problems, I always say that, but this is how it looks like. There we go. So I don't know, I use, like I said, I use it twice, I think, or 3 times, so I just have to use it a little bit longer to see if it's worth it. It had amazing reviews on the website, so we'll see. I'm working on it. More exciting stuff, you guys. Guerlain. This was the impulse buy. This was the online purchase, and I just put it in my cart because I saw very good reviews. So this is pretty much a terracotta electric light. This is the packaging, and this is the front. Very simple kind of gold tint, as you can see. Quite bulky packaging. There's a foil on top of it, by the way. And then when you open, it's supposed to be like a very light kind of bronzer situation. So I did not use it yet, as you can see. It's very pretty much new, but I did, you know, try a little bit. It is all moving, so I don't know if this is, if I could just put it in the Z palette. Do you see how it's all moving as I press this? So because the packaging is quite bulky, it's light, but it's, I don't know, I'll have to figure this out. Let's swatch it, because I didn't even swatch it, to be honest with you. I don't know if it's like a, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a little right here, like a little bronzer or highlighter. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out, but it had really good reviews, and they say it's perfect for, looks beautiful on a pale, you can know, kind of complexion. So that's pretty much what I am. Okay, one more repurchase. This is the Dior brow product, and I always buy in the color 001, which is like a universal color. This is probably my favorite. I know I've used, and I still am using Anastasia. I still have a couple of them, but I think the Dior brow styler is my favorite. Yeah, so it's pretty much looks like, you know, has a very thin tip, and of course there is a little spoolie right there. I don't know, I feel like the Dior works the best for me, and spoolie never breaks. I feel like at some point when I use the Anastasia, the spoolie always breaks. I think this was like the first time that I had recently that I just finished, the spoolie still attached. So the next thing I got, it was the La Mer sheer pressed powder. So this is how it looks like. Has a very nice packaging, so let's take a look inside. So this is pretty much like a translucent setting powder. Comes with this little useless sponge. So I don't know, I've never tried, but it had amazing reviews, so I obviously splurged on it. It was super duper expensive. So we will see, but had an awesome reviews. Okay, so the very last product I'm gonna share with you guys is something that I was going back and forth. Should I buy it, should I not? And I have decided to go for it, and this is my very first Path McGrath eyeshadow palette, and this is the Mothership, I think number 5. So this is the bronze one. I don't even know how to open this thing. Okay, I guess it goes this way. I never had any of her eyeshadow. I never had anything, just to be honest. The, you know, the lip glosses that I show you, this is like the first purchase, and as well as this. So this is how it looks like. Beautiful packaging, I mean, come on. Okay, these are, I guess, the name of the eyeshadows, but quite a few of you told me, recommend, you know, to get her eyeshadows, and oh my god, this is so heavy. So I didn't even open this yet, so wow, this is heavy. This is definitely not travel friendly, and wow, those pan size, I mean, look at this. how humongous they are. You really get a lot of products. So this was expensive. This was $125, so obviously I got a 20% discount, but they look beautiful. I didn't touch it, I didn't swatch anything, because you can see it's all brand new. Doesn't have any scent, but wow. That really feels high-end, to be honest with you. So I really don't need any more eye palette, but wow, this is heavy. I didn't expect this to be that heavy, but we'll see. I'm looking forward to use it. Let me know if you have the palette. I really want to know if you like it. I know it has an awesome reviews and colors, you know, just usually, you know, something to put fun on my, you know, eyelids today. I don't really have anything, just eyeliner. Yeah, so this is pretty much it, you guys. This is all I purchased. I think I'm pretty good. I don't think I need anything else. I think I can still shop for a couple of days. The sale is still open, but yeah, let me know what you purchased. What was your favorite you know, items and things that you had on your bucket list or in your wish list. And I kept quite a few things for like a couple of weeks in my Sephora cart. So once the sale went on, I just pretty much just went to check out, you know, just put the coupon code. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!